Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to stop your photos from automatically uploading to iCloud on your iPhone. No more unnecessary uploads. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Open settings. On your iPhone, open the setting app. You'll find it on your home screen with the gear icon. Step 2. Go to Apple ID. At the top of settings, tap on your Apple ID. This will take you to your iCloud and account settings. Step 3. Open iCloud. Next, tap iCloud. Here you will see everything that's connected to your iCloud along with the storage detail. Step 4. Go to Photos. Under iCloud, tap Photos. This section controls all your iCloud photo scanning settings. Step 5. Turn off Scan this iPhone. You will see an option called Scan this iPhone. Go ahead and turn it off. And that's it. Your photos will stop uploading to iCloud and everything will stay safely on your iPhone only. See, super easy, no more iCloud storage warning and no more unwanted uploads. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.